How to find account information settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account information settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here you will find account information. Click on it, and that's how to find account information settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.